Just making a quick video. This is a Maytag Dependable Care. If you can see that, it's really old, but I love these because they're super easy to fix and they last forever. Basically, when we had this running, it would go bang on each side every time this spun. And it turned out these fins are held in by these two bolts, and this one had come unscrewed, and so it was hitting the wall. You can see the scoring down there and down there. So if you have something similar happening, it took me 5 minutes maybe to take this apart. I didn't even feel like getting my ratchet and socket kit out, so I just use these to take the bolts out. They're not in there that tough. And then you just need a good sized Phillips screwdriver. A couple of things come off. There's a great video for it, so I'm not going to mention how to do that. Here's your belt. As you can see, this one's, it's not too bad, but it looks like it's starting to fray on the edges. I don't remember if it was like that when I got it. Oh, and like you see, it's supposed to sit up in here, but that's the front end holds it up in there. But your usual maintenance on these, if they stop spinning, is the belt. There's little idler pulleys down there at the bottom on each side that you can get these little maintenance kits for not too much. It's also how you can tell how to replace your light if it's not lighting up when you open the door. But I just thought that was crazy that this came out and was causing the banging sound, so I want to make a quick video in case someone else had something similar happen, and it's real easy to fix. You don't need to pay someone to do this.